Hello guys, so today we're going to be designing again a different type of the same type of logo we created, the Thunderbird logo, but with a different perspective of design. So let's come here. So we'll come to image size and set it to 2000 by 15. Click on OK. We'll delete this text. So come to our gallery. Let's add our text first. With Thunder and make it a capital letter and click on OK. Once I've done that, come and change our font. Using Montserrat bold, make a copy of it, edit it, and type byte. Make a capital letter. OK. Drag it, increase the size, and come to your font and make it an extra bold and place it just here. Expand it a little bit. Yeah, this is okay. Can use our position to position it correctly, and yeah, I'm okay with this. So once I've done that, we'll come here and merge the shape together. We can come and change color. Let's give a kind of yellow color to this. For thunder, then let's give this a subtle orange color, like a darker shade of orange. Yeah, this is better. So once I've done this, we can now merge the shapes together, the text together. Let's merge it. After I've done that, come to our shapes and add that same rectangle that we added earlier. So once we have done that, click on our tick mark and we'll drag it. So here's our positioning and move it upwards. Use it and move it to the side. Yeah, this is better. Let's take it up here. So after I've done that, we can then come and add like a gradient fill to this. We can just give it a single color. This is a gradient fill. Yeah, let's use this gradient. So after I've done that, okay, let's reflect the gradient. Let's edit it and change it the other way around to match our design. You can see, to match the design. So once we have done that, let's merge this together and click on OK. So come and add our icon from our gallery, because from like just doing like a logo, like a brief logo design. So from the perspective of the logo design, the company is a food company, a pizza shop. So I'm going to incorporate the image of a pizza into this design. So we're using this. Click on OK. So we're going to resize this, and place this here. If you look at it, it almost look in a way it looks like the thunder in a way, sure. But just incorporate this into our design. We can choose to place it like this in our design, or place it like this, but I'm going to place mine like this. I'm going to put it the other way to match the gradient. You can see dark, light, dark, light, dark, light, something like that. So once I've done that, I'll reduce the size again. Let's make the size bigger, because this is what you are trying to sell. Like, this is the main logo. This is what you're trying to sell. So once we are done with that, we're going to merge this together again and merge them. Once we have merged them, it's going to add that same image from our gallery that we use for the background. Yeah, this one. So click on our tick mark and we'll expand it. Yep, and we'll lock it. Let's drag this up here. Once I've done that, we'll drag this here and expand it a bit. Expand it. So come to our 3D shape again, enable it, as you can see. For now, come here and reduce the depth a little bit. Then once I've done that, we'll now darken it. Then we'll now do our rotation. So we'll leave our X rotation untouched. So we'll now rotate it like this. Yeah, now tick mark. You can see we're trying to make it to blend with this. So we'll come back still to our 3D shape. I will come and off, disable this. And click on your tick mark. Still in our 3D shape. You can see, you can increase the depth of what you're working on. Or just leave it at 8. Try to not look too like too nuts there. So once we have done that, reduce it, and yeah, this is okay. So depending on how big you want it from the wall, and say is how you want it, how big from the wall, depending on your design, on what the client wants. So we're going to just leave it very close. Let's use a 5. Click on our tick mark. Once I've done that, we'll come to our shadow again, enable it. This is looking fine. You can just use our X rotation and bring it outside more. Yeah, click on your tick mark, and if you want, you can use perspective, right? Either you can use perspective too. For example, say you can use a perspective to place your design in the way that it was placed in the other one. You can see this is how perspective will work in your design, but you have to work hand in hand with your guidelines a bit. As you can see, I've placed this here. As you have seen, I can come back to my 3D rotate. See, let's bring this back to 0, and I can reduce it. As you can see, you can use perspective for your design. So that's how you can use perspective. But let's go back to our normal one. Yep, and expand it. Still come back to our 3D rotate, and yeah, make it inside small a bit. So this is our mock-up for our design. So you can export it as your image or save it as a project to use next time. And this is the end of this tutorial, and I will see you guys in the next one.